Staying focused on long-term goals is a challenge many face, but it is a necessary skill for achieving lasting success and fulfillment. Life is full of distractions, challenges, and short-term temptations that often threaten to derail even the most determined individuals. Staying committed to long-term goals requires discipline, perseverance, and a clear vision of what you want to achieve. It is not merely about working harder, it's about working smarter and maintaining consistency over time. One of the first steps to staying focused on long-term goals is to clearly define what those goals are. Many people have vague ideas about what they want in life, but without clarity, it is easy to lose focus. Take time to sit down and write out your goals. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," define what success looks like to you. Is it a certain position in your career? A financial milestone? A particular lifestyle? When you know exactly what you are aiming for, it becomes easier to align your actions with your objectives. Visualization is a powerful tool in maintaining focus. Once your goals are defined, create a mental image of what achieving them will feel like. Imagine the sense of accomplishment, the changes in your life, and the happiness it will bring. Some people take this a step further by creating vision boards. A vision board is a physical or digital collage of images and words that represent your goals. Place this board somewhere you can see it daily as a reminder of what you are working toward. This constant reinforcement keeps your goals at the forefront of your mind. However, merely visualizing your goals is not enough. You need a plan of action. Break your long-term goals into smaller, manageable steps. For instance, if your goal is to write a book, your smaller steps might include writing a chapter a week, attending a writing workshop, or dedicating a certain number of hours daily to writing. These smaller steps serve as milestones, giving you a sense of progress and accomplishment as you move toward your ultimate goal. Consistency is key when it comes to long-term focus. It's not about doing something perfectly, it's about showing up regularly. Create routines and habits that support your goals. If you are working toward a fitness goal, for instance, set a consistent time each day to exercise. Over time, these routines become ingrained in your lifestyle, making it easier to stay on track. Staying focused also means learning to manage distractions effectively. In today's world, distractions are everywhere: social media, endless notifications, streaming services, and even well-meaning friends and family. To stay focused, you must identify what distracts you most and create strategies to minimize their impact. For example, if social media is your weakness, consider setting specific times to check your accounts or using apps that block access during work hours. Creating a designated workspace free of distractions can also improve your concentration. Time management plays a crucial role in staying focused on long-term goals. With so many responsibilities competing for your attention, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and lose sight of your priorities. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, or productivity apps to organize your time. Prioritize tasks that contribute directly to your goals and learn to say no to activities that do not align with your long-term vision. Motivation is another significant factor in maintaining focus, but it's important to understand that motivation alone is not enough. Motivation is fleeting, it comes and goes. What will keep you going when motivation wanes is discipline. Discipline is the ability to continue working toward your goals even when you don't feel like it. Develop this muscle by setting non-negotiable rules for yourself. For example, decide that no matter what, you will dedicate an hour each day to studying for a certification, writing your business plan, or working on your craft. Another way to stay focused is to surround yourself with the right people. The company you keep can either propel you forward or hold you back. Spend time with individuals who share similar goals or who inspire you to push beyond your limits. Accountability partners, mentors, or mastermind groups can provide encouragement, advice, and a sense of accountability that keeps you on track. Regularly reviewing your progress is essential. Take time to reflect on how far you have come and evaluate what is working and what is not. Adjust your strategies as needed, but never lose sight of the bigger picture. Celebrating small wins along the way can also provide a motivational boost. Each milestone achieved is a reminder that you are capable and that your hard work is paying off. Life will inevitably throw challenges your way, and setbacks are a natural part of any journey. The key is to view these obstacles as opportunities to learn and grow rather than as reasons to give up. Resilience is a crucial trait for staying focused on long-term goals. When you encounter a setback, take a moment to regroup, reassess, and come back stronger. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall but how many times you get back up. One of the biggest enemies of focus is burnout. It's easy to push yourself too hard in pursuit of your goals, but this can lead to exhaustion and loss of interest. To avoid burnout, prioritize self-care. Ensure you are getting enough sleep, eating nutritious meals, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Taking care of your physical and mental health is not a distraction, it's an investment in your ability to stay the course. It's also important to stay flexible. While having a clear plan is essential, life is unpredictable, and circumstances may change. Flexibility allows you to adapt to new situations without losing sight of your ultimate goal. If one approach isn't working, be willing to try another. Flexibility is not a sign of weakness but a mark of wisdom and resilience. Gratitude can also help you maintain focus. When you are constantly striving for more, it's easy to forget how far you've come and what you already have. Take time to appreciate your progress, the people who support you, and the opportunities available to you. Gratitude shifts your mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance, which can reignite your passion for your goals. Another practical strategy is to remind yourself of the consequences of not staying focused. Think about what you stand to lose if you give up on your long-term goals. Will you miss out on career advancement? Will you regret not pursuing your dreams? Keeping these potential losses in mind can serve as a powerful motivator to stay on track. While staying focused on long-term goals is challenging, it is not impossible. It requires a combination of clarity, planning, consistency, discipline, and resilience. By implementing these strategies, you can overcome distractions and setbacks, making steady progress toward the life you envision. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. Stay the course, and you will be amazed at what you can achieve. When setbacks occur, it's essential to acknowledge your feelings but not dwell on them for too long. Feel the disappointment, but then channel that energy into finding solutions. Successful individuals are not defined by their failures but by how they respond to them. Learn from mistakes, adapt, and keep pushing forward. Resilience is not about being unbreakable, it's about bouncing back stronger each time you fall. Another key factor in staying focused on long-term goals is self-awareness. Understanding your strengths, weaknesses, and triggers can help you create a personalized strategy for success. If you know that you tend to procrastinate when faced with complex tasks, break those tasks down into smaller, more manageable parts. If you find that working in a noisy environment hinders your productivity, seek out quieter spaces or invest in noise-canceling headphones. Tailoring your approach to your unique needs makes it easier to maintain focus. Embracing the journey rather than fixating solely on the destination can also help you stay motivated. Long-term goals often take years to achieve, and it's easy to become disheartened if you're only focused on the end result. Instead, find joy in the process. Celebrate the skills you're developing, the lessons you're learning, and the person you're becoming along the way. This shift in perspective can make the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Mindfulness is another powerful tool for maintaining focus. Being present in the moment allows you to fully engage with your tasks and make better decisions. Practice mindfulness through techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or simply paying attention to your thoughts and surroundings without judgment. By cultivating mindfulness, you can reduce stress and improve your ability to concentrate. Setting boundaries is crucial for protecting your focus. Let those around you know when you need uninterrupted time to work on your goals. This might mean turning off your phone, closing your office door, or politely declining social invitations. Boundaries are not about shutting people out, they are about creating the space you need to thrive. Rewarding yourself for progress can also be an effective motivator. When you reach a milestone, treat yourself to something you enjoy. It doesn't have to be extravagant, it could be a favorite meal, a day off, or a small purchase you've been wanting. These rewards reinforce positive behavior and give you something to look forward to as you work toward your goals. Lastly, maintain a growth mindset. Believe that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. This mindset fosters a love of learning and resilience in the face of challenges. Instead of seeing obstacles as insurmountable barriers, view them as opportunities to grow and improve. A growth mindset empowers you to persevere even when the road gets tough. Staying focused on long-term goals is not a linear journey. There will be ups and downs, moments of doubt, and times when progress feels slow. But by staying committed, cultivating the right habits, and maintaining a positive mindset, you can achieve remarkable things. Remember, the path to success is paved with persistence, determination, and a relentless focus on what truly matters. Keep moving forward, and your long-term goals will eventually become your reality.